Welcome back, foodies. Today, we're taking you on a mouth-watering journey to explore the delightful world of Japanese cuisine. And what better way to start than by unraveling the secrets behind one of Japan's most beloved dishes, gyoza. Join us as we uncover unknown facts about gyoza and dive into its delicious delights. Let's get started. H and co-host are standing in a Japanese-inspired kitchen, surrounded by cooking utensils and ingredients. Konnichiwa, everyone. Gyoza, also known as Japanese dumplings, has become incredibly popular around the world. But did you know that these delectable delights have an intriguing history? Let's dig deeper. Our first unknown fact takes us back in time. Gyoza actually originated in China and was brought to Japan in the late 19th century. The Japanese put their own spin on this savory delight, and it quickly became a staple in their cuisine. The word gyoza itself is derived from the Chinese word jiaozi, which means dumplings. Now that we know about gyoza's origin, let's explore the different styles you can find in Japan. The two most popular types are yaki gyoza and sui gyoza. Yaki gyoza. These are pan-fried dumplings with a crispy bottom and juicy filling. The golden brown color and irresistible aroma make them an absolute delight. Sui gyoza. Unlike their pan-fried counterparts, sui gyoza are boiled or steamed. They have a softer texture and a lighter, more delicate flavor. Ah, the filling. That's where the magic happens. While pork is the most common filling in gyoza, there are other variations to explore. Some people prefer a blend of pork and cabbage, while others add ingredients like shrimp, chicken, or vegetables. There's even a vegetarian version, which uses tofu as the main ingredient. The possibilities are endless. Gyoza is never complete without the perfect dipping sauce. In Japan, two popular options are ponzu and gyoza sauce. Ponzu is a tangy citrus-based sauce that adds a refreshing kick to your dumplings. On the other hand, gyoza sauce is a savory, soy-based sauce with a touch of sweetness. It complements the flavors of the dumplings beautifully. Beyond its delicious taste, gyoza holds a special meaning in Japanese culture. In some regions, gyoza is traditionally consumed on New Year's Eve. The unique shape of the dumplings is said to resemble gold ingots, symbolizing wealth and good fortune for the upcoming year. So, not only do they satisfy your taste buds, but they also bring luck. And there you have it, folks. We've journeyed through the unknown facts and savory wonders of Japanese gyoza. From its Chinese roots to the various styles, fillings, and dipping sauces, gyoza has certainly left a flavorful mark on the world of cuisine. So, next time you have a craving for dumplings, make sure to explore the magical world of Japanese gyoza. Arigato gozaimasu for joining us today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more delicious adventures.